drainage problem and create some raised beds and make it an attractive part of our landscape, being able to use it all while preventing that erosion problem. It uses high quality soil mixes with large amounts of organic matter, something lacking in our normal soils, and may increase yields. Some other advantages: soil above ground tends to drain better and warms up faster in the spring, and it allows for a little faster seed germination and transplant growth. Higher soil levels and improved soil quality equal better access and less maintenance, much easier to harvest. We can grow a little bit more in it because we can plant it a little denser and result in a little higher production per square foot. We can also have a little better control over weed seed germination. They can be entered and maintained soon after a rain or irrigation without compacting the soil because we're not walking on it. It doesn't have to be